In a world of when Lambo, crypto scams and fake projects, where can you find true value? No time to research cryptocurrency projects. No money for crypto reports that cost thousands and thousands of dollars. Don't feel defeated. Knockout Crypto Reports are the answer. Knockout Crypto Reports does the research, saving you time. Knockout Crypto Reports are affordable, saving you money. Knockout Crypto Reports only include the highest quality reports. If you want that Lambo, you need to learn how to invest in the highest quality projects early. Knockout Crypto Reports identifies the highest quality projects early, making you money and saving you time. Go to knockoutcrypto.com and sign up for the report now.
Welcome to Knockout Crypto. Thank you for following the channel. You can find us on Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. Please subscribe to the channel. Today's video is Coinbase listing pump. What's the next Coinbase new listing? And that's what everybody wants to know, because Coinbase, when a coin gets listed on Coinbase, it pumps and you can get a large percentage gain, right? We've been seeing these gains from the Coinbase effect. So what if someone had a formula that could tell you the next coin that's going to be listed on Coinbase? Well, that's what we have here. So, but first of all, I want to go over this video, watch this video to the end, and I'll show you everything that you need to see. Thank you for supporting the channel, the guys who subscribe to the channel, who like the video, who comment below. Thank you for supporting our channel. So let's get into the video, right? This is exciting. What's the next Coinbase listing? You know, whenever these coins get listed on Coinbase, they pump. What's the next one that's going to pump? What's the next one that's going to be listed on Coinbase? Excited to bring this to you guys. Let's get into it. So before we get into it, we have to do the legal stuff. Disclaimer and general information. This is the education and information channel. This is for entertainment purposes only. I am not a registered investment advisor, and I do not provide investment advice. Any investments are highly speculative, and any losses are your responsibility. You also need to do your own research before making any decisions. Any information provided by Knockout Crypto LLC is provided for educational purposes only. Any investments you are making are your responsibility. Past performance is no guarantee of future results. Membership to the Knockout Crypto LLC and its contents is granted at will and may be revoked at any time without cause. The Knockout Crypto LLC is not registered as an investment advisor with any federal or state regulatory agencies. The information contained within this website, including videos, reports, and trading education, is provided for information and educational purposes only. The information should not be construed as investment trading advice and is not meant to be a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold any securities mentioned. Go to knockoutcrypto.com for more information. So what is the next new coin that's going to be listed on Coinbase? What if you had a formula that could tell you which coin was going to be the next new coin listed on Coinbase? The Coinbase effect, or Coinbase pump, is when a coin will experience a rise in price after a Coinbase listing announcement. Some coins have reached over 200% of their value after a Coinbase announcement. Once a coin is listed on Coinbase, a much larger user base has access to buy or sell the coin, and that is one of the reasons for the pump. Coinbase claims to have over 30 million customers, which is the largest user base in crypto besides Binance. Also, it's the largest crypto user base in the US, and it's also the easiest app pretty much to buy crypto on. For customers, you can get it on the iOS app or Android app. It's very easy for customers to just log in, buy crypto, and hold it. They also have staking where you can hold Tezos or some other coins. So Coinbase, getting listed on Coinbase is a prestigious thing still in crypto. So even though Coinbase is looking at different coins and they seem to list the coin, right now they've been listing coins probably about every 2 to 3 weeks. They'll list the coin, probably every 3 weeks more likely. Every 3 weeks they list the coin. So it's still a big deal when a coin gets listed on Coinbase. And so you get this Coinbase pump, or this Coinbase effect, whenever a new coin gets listed on Coinbase, because they have access to a much larger user base, because Coinbase has over 30 million customers. So that means a bigger market, which means more customers, and the chance of a price increase is good for the coin. So what we're going to do in this video, we're going to find out what the next Coinbase listing is, what the next Coinbase new listing is. We're going to find that out. We're going to review the last 5 coins that Coinbase listed in the following slides. We will review the pumps and the profits from the previous 5 coins that the Coinbase listing produced. We will list the price before the pump, during the pump announcement, and 7 days after the pump. The profit gains were sick. Keep watching the video, okay? Keep watching the video. So here's the first coin. Previous Coinbase listing pump. BAN protocol. BAN protocol is like Chainlink. It is an Oracle service. But July 29th, pre-listing price was $3.82. August 5th, which is 7 days after the pre-listing, seven days later, August 5th, the announcement, the price had went up to $7.92. And then August 12th, today is August 6th, so we haven't got to August 12th yet, but 7 days after listing, the price is unavailable because we haven't got there yet. But the profit from the pre-listing was $3.82 to $7.92, so that's a profit of 103%. So if you had known on August 29th to buy BAN protocol and held to today, which is the listing, you would have made 103% gain by just knowing, hey, this coin's about to be listed on Coinbase. So I want to just go over that really quickly with you guys. Let's go over that real quick. So as you can see here, this was the announcement. If you go to Coinbase blog on Coinbase.com, you'll see the announcement. BAN protocol is launching on Coinbase Pro August 5th. And that's when you got that big pump today, that gave that 103% profit. Had you known that BAN was going to be the next coin listed on Coinbase. So that's an easy profit for people. So let's go to the next slide. The next slide, this is the BAN chart. As you can see, that price around $3.80, $3.90 7 days before listing, and then the price shoots up to $7.90 on the listing date, or the day that the listing was announced, August 5th. The next coin on the list is Algorand. Algo, July 9th, the pre-listing price was 23 cents. July 16th, the pre-listing announced, when the listing was announced, it was 36 cents. And July 23rd, 7 days after the listing, it was 33 cents. So the profit gain on Algorand was 35% gain. That's still a huge gain. You consider, you don't get those type of profits in stocks, right? You might get 3 to 4 or 5% a year. Here in a 14-day period, you're getting a 35% gain. So crypto still provided huge gains. So let's look at the Algorand chart. You can see on July 9th, there it is around 23 cents. And then by the time we get to July 16th, it's up to 39 cents. July 21st, it's up to 36 cents. And July 21st, around 39 cents. 7 days later, July 23rd, we're back down to 33 cents for Algorand. The next coin is Compound. Previous Coinbase listing pump coin, Compound. Compound, June 17th. Pre-listing price was $65.89. June 24th, when the listing was announced, it was $197.59. And July 1st, 7 days after the listing, it was $214.53. The profit, had you bought at 7 days before the listing, your profit would have been 235% gain. 235% gain had you bought 7 days before the coin was listed on Coinbase. That is a huge amount of profit, huge amount of gain. And that's another example of the Coinbase effect. Compound chart, as you can see here, 65 cents, got up to about $197, got up to about $200 to give you that 200 and something percent gain. It shows you if you know what coin Coinbase is going to list, you can make profit. The previous coin after that was Maker. May 22nd, pre-listing price for Maker was $316.92. May 29th, the listing was announced. It was $477.72. June 5th, 7 days after the pump, it was $430.44. Profit gain was about 32% gain. But once again, those are returns that you don't see in the stock market, 32%. So Maker, as you can see the chart here, we went from about $316 all the way up to about $450 in about 7 days due to the Coinbase listing effect. The next coin is OMG, Oh My God coin, which is also known as Omisigo. May 14th, the pre-listing price was 76 cents. May 21st, the listing announced was $1.99. May 28th, 7 days after listing, was $1.63. Had you known pre-listing to buy in, the profit gain would have been 263% gain in profit. So we had two coins, Compound and OMG, that did over 200% gains when they had the Coinbase listing effect applied to them. So that is huge, right? That is huge. You can get the Coinbase listing effect to your coin and make huge gains in a short amount of time. So the people who know which coins are going to be listed on Coinbase, the people who have the formula to figure it out. So what is the next new listing on Coinbase? That's the big question. What's the next new listing so you can get these huge gains of 200%, 100% gains? 3 of the 5 coins on the list that I've just read to you had gains over 100%. I'm going to go back on the list. Let's go back. Let's go over the coins. So the first coin was Band Protocol. Band Protocol had 100% gain after being listed on Coinbase. Second coin was Algorand. Algorand had a 35% gain after being listed on Coinbase. Third coin was Compound. Compound had a 235% gain after being listed on Coinbase. Fourth coin was Maker. Maker had a 32% gain after being listed on Coinbase. OMG had a 262% gain after being listed on Coinbase. Huge gains, right? So what is the next Coinbase new listing? Well, if you join knockoutcrypto.com, you will get the next new Coinbase listing and the formula for the next listing for $10 a month, next 24 hours only. The price may increase in the next 24 hours, so I highly recommend that you join now. Thank you for your support. Stay safe during the pandemic. If you want to get the next new Coinbase listing coin, join knockoutcrypto.com for $10 a month, next 24 hours only. Thank you for your support. Coinbase listing pump. What is the next Coinbase new listing? Join knockoutcrypto.com to get that information. Guys, thank you for your support. Stay safe during the pandemic. Knockout Crypto signing off. Go to knockoutcrypto.com and sign up. Also, when you go to knockoutcrypto.com and you sign up, you're getting trading alerts, trading signals, the next big crypto report. You're getting so much more than just the next Coinbase new listing. You're getting so much more by signing up. Guys, thank you for signing up.
In a world of when Lambo, crypto scams and fake projects, where can you find true value? No time to research cryptocurrency projects. No money for crypto reports that cost thousands and thousands of dollars. Don't feel defeated. Knockout Crypto reports are the answer. Knockout Crypto Reports does the research, saving you time. Knockout Crypto Reports are affordable, saving you money. Knockout Crypto Reports only include the highest quality reports. If you want that Lambo, you need to learn how to invest in the highest quality projects early. Knockout Crypto Reports identifies the highest quality projects early, making you money and saving you time. Go to knockoutcrypto.com and sign up for the report now.